Are you tired of feeling like you're drowning in endless tasks and ready to turn automation into actual income? Today, we're diving deep into how to earn money through Zapier, the automation powerhouse that connects your favorite apps. This isn't just about saving time, it's about building new revenue streams. First, understand the basics. Zapier works by creating zaps, automated workflows triggered by events in one app that cause actions in another. Think of it as connecting digital Lego bricks to build a machine that works for you 24/7. To start earning, identify time-consuming tasks you or your clients perform regularly. For example, are you manually transferring leads from a Facebook ad to a Google Sheet and then sending them a welcome email? This is a prime candidate for automation. You could set up a Zap that automatically adds new leads from Facebook to your Google Sheet and triggers a personalized email sequence in Gmail, saving you valuable time and effort. Now, how do you turn this into income? Offer Zapier automation services to businesses. Many small to medium-sized businesses are struggling with repetitive tasks and don't realize how much time and money they're wasting. You can become their automation hero. Market your services as a Zapier expert on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Showcase your ability to streamline their processes and boost their bottom line. Charge a project-based fee or an hourly rate for your expertise. Another avenue is building and selling Premade Zap templates. Identify common automation needs within specific industries, create a Zap solution, and sell it on platforms like Zapier's template directory or your own website. This creates a passive income stream as people purchase and use your templates. So there you have it. Zapier isn't just a tool. It's a gateway to new income opportunities. By understanding its capabilities and identifying automation needs, you can transform your skills into a profitable venture. Start automating. Start earning. Remember to subscribe for more automation tips and tricks.